issue with this car is that on a cold weather it will start, but very hard. So I'm just wondering what the problem could be. So let's go quick and identify the brand. You can go through 100 brands or so. Let's go to the Ford. Is already doing something, trying to get into the brain of the car. Let's search automatically. It will tell you to set ignition switch to on position, which you want to do, to put the key into the ignition and just till all the lights are on the dash. Switch ignition to on, and let's perform the scan. See what comes out. See what comes out. What's gonna come out from? He's telling you. So he's identified the car for Fiesta 1.4, the type of the engine and all that. Yeah, let's tick S. Let's see. We're getting some faults from this car to see why it's not starting. Yeah. Let's see. So all you wanna do is to go to the, you have three options. You wanna go to the health report. Yeah, health report. Let's tick this, and now it's scanning. Oh my god, so already look how quick, only like 1 minute, 2 minutes, and it's already identified a fault. So this is potentially why the car is not starting. So we have the glove plug heater circuit. There's an error with the glove plug heated circuit. For all those of you who don't know, the glove plugs are helping in cold weather to start the diesel engines, and there is a fault with this. Well, we don't really want to go here, so let's go back. There is, so it's telling us that there is a fault with the glove plug circuit. So it could either be the fuse, either be the glove plug relay, or the glove plugs themselves. They're not working and they need replacing. So this is how simple you can get to know what's wrong with your car. This is, again, this is the tool, guys, that I've just used, and this is the tool being put into action. Yeah, I hope you find this helpful, and check my other videos also.